this video, I wanted to give you some more ideas on how to use the ultimate delta indicator on the 1 minute NQ chart. I'm going to give you some ideas for some rules-based trading based on these signals. So let's have a look at what's on this chart. I've got the MMT trend and reversal. Only have the entry candles enabled. Nothing else. The reversals are disabled, trend backgrounds disabled. Strength of 1. The input series is a 3-period SMA. For the ultimate delta, I've got this in bid-ask mode. I've got tick replay enabled on my data series. Got the delta diamonds enabled. Positive and negative thresholds of 200 and negative 200. I've got the signal offsets at 10 for the diamonds, 20 for the waves, and 30 for the divergence. Got the delta waves turned on. Got divergence turned on. Got the look back period set to 3. Let's take a look at today's price action and I'll show you what I'm looking for in order to enter into a trade. So in order to enter a trade, we first have to have one of these 3 signals from the ultimate delta, and then our entry candle either needs to be neutral or in the same direction. So 9:31, first candle of the New York Open. We've got 2 signals. However, these signals are to the upside. The entry candle is red. Mixed bag. No trade opportunity there. Here we've got a signal from the ultimate delta. We've got a delta diamond. Got a red entry candle. We can take a break below this candle. 567 makes it down to 44 over 20 points of possible opportunity there. Next trading opportunity, we've got a triple signal and a neutral candle. If this candle was red, it would be no go. But since it's neutral, we can take a break above 71 up to 94 in 2 minutes. Start to get some delta waves to the downside. Probably would be hopping out of that trade if I was still in it. Here's a delta diamond with the green entry candle. Price does not break above this candle. I look for my breaks above and below candles by at least 1 point, somewhere between 4 and 8 ticks. I think we moved up 1 tick above this candle. That would not be an entry for me. Here we get some more signals. These signals are to the downside, divergence and a delta wave, but the entry candle is still green. Mixed bag, so no trade. Here we got another double signal to the downside from the ultimate delta. We've got a neutral candle now, so we could take the break of this neutral candle. 13 down to 99. Could easily got my usual 5 to 10 point scalp out of that trade. And if I just got out of my trade here at whole number, I'm not likely to enter into a trade 10 seconds after I just closed a profitable trade out. We're also right at whole number. I'd want to see price break below whole number. Here's a delta wave to the upside. Neutral candle. We do not break above this candle. No trade triggered. Now that we've had a little pullback and some time has passed since the last trade, got a delta diamond, red entry candle. Could take a break below this candle. 95 down to 76, almost 20 points. Here we get some signals, entry candle. However, we never break above this high, so no trade triggered. Here we get a diamond, red entry candle. Take a break below 68 down to 60. If I was still in this trade, once I saw 2 signals to the upside and a neutral candle, I would be out there at 72. And now this is a signal to get in long. Break above this neutral candle here with the double signal. 77 up to 90. There's another 12 or 13 points. We get a pullback, then we get another signal a few minutes later. Got a double signal, nice big green entry candle. Taking a break above, we're above whole number. 04, make it up to 24 in a few minutes, 20 points. And this is like the 3rd or 4th signal in a row. Going to be very hesitant about hopping in there. However, price does not break above this entry candle and we do not get a trade triggered there. Next possibility, we have a delta wave to the downside, red entry candle, break below. It's right at whole number. I'd want to see it break below whole number. Say 98. We make it down 20 points in a minute. We break down even lower, another 30 points. Get a delta wave to the upside, neutral candle, price never breaks above, no trade triggered. Another red entry candle and delta diamond, but this is the 4th signal in the same direction of this down move. Going to be a little cautious there again. However, price does not break any lower than this entry candle, so there is no trade trigger there. Next possibility, we get a double signal on the ultimate delta. green entry candle, break above, 70 up to 90 in a couple minutes. Here we're getting a down signal with a green entry candle, so mixed bag, no trade. And here we are at 1028. I'm usually done trading at 1030. I also don't try to get into trades generally right as we're approaching 1030. If anything, I'll wait till 1030, 1031, see if there's any kind of push in one direction, and then be done for the day. However, if you did take a break above this candle, probably be getting out for around break even there when I saw the double signal to the downside and the neutral candle. That's 1030. So that's exactly how I would be looking at trading the first hour of the day, candle by candle, each 1 minute candle. And I'm ignoring these candles, even if they're entry candles that don't have any kind of signal from the ultimate delta. If there's no signal, I'm not even considering entering a trade unless I've got a signal from the ultimate delta, and it must be in congruence with the trend and reversal entry candles. So I just wanted to share some more possible ways to use these indicators. I highly recommend everyone playing around with the settings and doing their own back testing and really finding something that you feel is going to give you an edge in the markets. There's links to all these fun toys in the description. Apex Trader Funding is back to having a 71% off sale and 1 day to pass. If you use code MonkeyMan over at Apex, you always get the best price and you help support the work that I do on this channel. If you have any questions about these indicators, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.